Good morning. I would like to welcome you all for the WhatsApp for Enterprise kickoff meeting. My name is Vishnu Ramanath and I am the project manager for the WhatsApp for Enterprise application. I would like to take this moment to thank John Foley, the VP of Business Development, for taking his time off and be present at the meeting here today. He has been a great guidance and inspiration for all of us at the company. Before going into the details of the project, let's see what WhatsApp is. WhatsApp was founded in 2009 by Brian Acton and John Quam. It was acquired by Facebook for whopping $19 billion in February 2014. WhatsApp is a cross-platform mobile messaging app. It can be used in any of the major operating systems such as Android, iPhone, BlackBerry, Windows Phone, Nokia, and other operating systems such as the Firefox. So what can you do with WhatsApp? With WhatsApp, you can send unlimited messages. The messages not only include the text messages, but also the images, audio files, and video files for free. It uses the internet data plan for transferring the messages, and it doesn't cost the user anything for sending the messages. As of today, WhatsApp has around 900 million active users. So that is approximately 1 in every 7 person in the world has an access to WhatsApp. That is a good thing, and it is good to know that WhatsApp is still growing, and our aim is to reach more than 1 billion people in the coming year. So WhatsApp has also added a new feature. The new feature is the WhatsApp Web. With WhatsApp Web, you can actually access the WhatsApp application through your desktop. And also for accessing through the desktop, however, you need to have your phone connected. With all these features, WhatsApp is currently sending around 30 billion messages per day, and the servers are built upon the huge database. The current competitors of WhatsApp includes WeChat and Line. Those are the Asian competitors, but however, WhatsApp has around more than 60% of the market share and is growing continuously. Coming to the goal of the WhatsApp, if you need to put the goal of the WhatsApp in one simple line, it is make communication easy, efficient, and cost effective. It's that simple. This is the reason why WhatsApp doesn't use any advertisements, and the user to the cost is very minimal. WhatsApp for Enterprise. Looking at the research, I'm pretty confident that WhatsApp for Enterprise will be a revolutionary thing. The next big thing in the corporate world. It completely changes how everyone interacts within the organization. WhatsApp for Enterprise is an innovative application which aims at integrating the organization through WhatsApp messaging and thereby eliminating the need for phone calls and email communication. The aim of the project is to provide a cross-platform messaging service that is easy to use and highly secured. So what basically WhatsApp for Enterprise is doing is it is trying to eliminate the need of phone calls and email communication, what many of the corporate organizations use now, and to substitute that with the WhatsApp messaging. So once this is done, it is believed that the administrative overheads for all the emails and other things will be reduced, and also the productivity will increase. I would like to introduce the team. The team consists of John Foley, the VP of Business Development. John has been involved with this project since inception and has guided me and my team in the project application. Kelly Ritter, the Chief Network Administrator. Kelly has been involved with the project since inception and has planned and designed the network overloads. Dustin Hammett is the Chief Security Administrator. Mr. Joe Street is the Project Director who has been guiding the team throughout. Mr. Ryan Parker is the Development Software Lead. He is a brilliant software developer and is involved with the project since inception. He is leading the team of young innovators for making this project a huge success. Coming to the product vision, as mentioned before, it is aimed at providing cost-effective enterprise messaging service. It tries to eliminate the dependencies on emails and phones for communication among employees. This will definitely increase the productivity and client satisfaction. The product goal is to build a cross-platform enterprise messaging service that is easy to use, highly secured, increase business efficiency, and reduce administrative overhead. Coming to the product objectives, the objectives is to achieve a penetration of at least 60% in the first 3 months for the participating corporations, achieve at least a 40% improvement in the quarterly performance review survey submitted by the clients in the first 1 year, at least 60% of the installed users base to be returned regularly after 5 months of the launch, at least 40% of the project in each corporation to adopt the tool as a part of the regular project management process. Coming to the feature set of the project, the table shows how we can make WhatsApp for Enterprise a success by adding key features to the existing WhatsApp application. The enablers will be the ease of use. Everyone wants to have easy access for the features. Imagine you have a notification of a calendar on a meeting, or of a meeting on a calendar, and your screen on your mobile just shows you the notification, and you can add this to the calendar directly. This is through WhatsApp, remember. It's not through the email services. We are trying to substitute the email services through the WhatsApp. That is just an example. And the ease of use also is corresponded by features such as LDAP integration, where you can search anyone from the organization through the phone contacts with the phone itself. And also it includes auto group messaging, sync with calendar event as said before, red notifications, delivery status, access from PC and tablets. And the other enabler is retain the existing user base. That was one of the objectives, to retain the existing user base. For providing these, the corresponding features will be to have the profile picture, no advertisement as mentioned before, light on consumption over network, auto sync with contacts, and ability to broadcast messages. And also the administrative controls and security infrastructure features includes the high standard encryption of data, auto deletion of messages, mandatory device locking, remote management of data and devices, authentication of the recipient. The extensibility and scalability will increase with the integration from cloud-based document management systems such as Google Docs and Dropbox. Easy to access from Outlook, and the key feature will be the voice integration among cross-platforms. Coming to the product roadmap, it is planned to be implemented in 3 phases. On phase 1 of implementation, the focus will be to get a secure, reliable backend infrastructure. To achieve this, we'll be using the key existing features of WhatsApp with some added features such as authentication of users, LDAP integration as explained before, data encryption, remote monitoring and data management, delivery status reporting and red notification, integrating the application with analytics tool for data capture. After the initial success of phase 1, the main focus of phase 2 would be to lock in the members by providing enhanced functionality such as auto grouping of users, accessing data from PC by tablets, sync with Outlook or Google Calendar events, timed auto deletion of messages, ability to sync and exchange documents from tools like Dropbox and Google Docs. On phase 3, we'll plan to achieve a competitive advantage for the application with unique features that would only be available on subscriptive prices. Remember, phase 1 and phase 2 will be on the basic model, and phase 3 we are trying to implement on a subscription basis. The feature will include integration with voice-based components like Siri, that is on the iPhone, and desk phone extension integration with intranet or internet social profile like Yammer, sync with internet company email like Outlook or Gmail, location tracking with offices with Beacon integration. Coming to the key stakeholder analysis for phase 1, the power and influence of the stakeholder depends on the interest of the stakeholder. As you can see from the graph, the key players will be the network security and server team, the network infrastructure, core development and test teams for the application. The least important will be the external vendor, where companies looking to bundle the products with our WhatsApp for Enterprise, and some of the customers that we meet the needs for the client satisfaction is the server team, cloud storage vendors, mobile device management, analytics software to gather data. And the other key interest of the stakeholder will be to other enterprise apps teams looking to integrate with WhatsApp, such as the Siri or other platforms, the Google Docs and Dropbox, and the platform engineering teams. For implementing this project, we'll definitely face many of the risks during the implementation. However, we try to mitigate with some strategies that are enlisted in this table. For improving the risk on the service overload, the mitigation strategy will be to cap the number of client enterprise, and also anything beyond will be as a paid service. Also, users are not the actual buyers of the application. Adoption rate, survey responses will not be the true measure of usability of the product. For mitigating that risk, we'll be using the inclusion of real-time analytics component that would gather usage data dumps and generate reports. On the risk challenge for enterprises usually prioritizes the number of features versus the value of the feature. We are trying to mitigate the risk by having a strategy that the minimum viable product moves into the minimum desirable product in the subsequent iterations, helping them deliver maximum business benefits. With this, I have explained the key features of the WhatsApp for Enterprise application, and we all look forward for the success of the same. Feel free to ask any questions now. You can also ask questions on my email, and I would be really happy to answer any of the questions that you have asked. I once again thank you all for coming to this presentation for the team kickoff meeting for WhatsApp for Enterprise application, and let us hope the project is a huge success. Thank you, everyone.